What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a brand new video. It's currently January 1st, 2026. So firstly, Happy New Year's to all you guys. It's actually 5:55 a.m. We're about to head out all the way to Lindale, Texas, which is basically right next to Dallas, to pick up some brand new wheels for the S6. So we are going to be driving approximately 3 hours, and I'm not looking forward to that, but let's go ahead and take a road trip in the S6 to get these wheels. We should be back by around 12ish and then hopefully throw the wheels on. Let's go ahead and head out. Alright guys, we just picked up brand new wheels for my car. They're in the back seat. I got these wheels for a really good price. You guys will see. I'm really hoping that they're lighter than the stock S6 wheels. Yeah, we'll head on the way home and then throw these wheels on in the next couple clips. Alright guys, we finally made it back home. It's like 1:17. I'm really pleased with the vehicle. It drove perfectly fine. We did like 400 something miles non-stop. Well, I stopped it just to get the wheels in and then left right after. It was like 6 hours in total. Texas is pretty huge. Obviously, we did have a couple mishaps. We got that ticket. You know, it is what it is. That was my own doing. Also, I can't be mad at anyone but myself. But I don't want to show them just yet, but I kind of do. I'll give you guys a sneak peek here. Maybe you can see in the background what they are. For today, I'm gonna go ahead and take a break. I've been driving for 6 hours. Plus, it's New Year's, so I think I want to enjoy the rest of the day. So I'll probably pick up filming on this Saturday for me, but for you guys, it's whenever this gets uploaded. Alright guys, we're currently on the way to go get the wheels put on. I've been waiting a couple of days just because I need to order some different type of lug bolts. Original ones for the S6 are conical seated, 25mm something. I bought some ball set lug bolts, so we should be good to just go ahead and throw them onto the vehicle. Alright, and before we take off the wheels, this is just what the fitment looks. And the fronts have 12mm spacers. And then the rear, this is with a 15mm spacer. You guys are going to see the final results right now in a bit, and yeah, you'll finally see exactly what wheels it is that I got. Hope they were looking good. I've seen some pictures, just a couple people have them, but I'm really excited to see the final results. Alright guys, and there you go. These are the brand new wheels on my S6. I really love how they look. They are very aggressive. The poke is out just a bit, but really loving how the look is. The wheels, in my opinion, are great. They're very unique, and they're a lot lighter. Here we have the stockies. These are for sale if anyone's in the Houston area. I'm letting them go for 400 bucks. I bought these wheels for $450. I drove from Houston down to Dallas on New Year's Day, and the wheels actually turned out to be, I think, about 4.5 pounds lighter. We're saving 18 pounds in total on wheel weight, and it's unsprung weight, so equates to a little bit more in like sprung weight, so body weight. I really think the car looks phenomenal with these wheels, and I really haven't seen anyone with them. Just take a look at the car from the side. I know it's a bit blurry, but man, these look killer. I'm so happy with these wheels. Now it is pretty dark, and I don't know if you can see very well, but there is some very, very slight poke in the front. You can see here. Probably looks worse on the camera, but very, very minor. Here is the rear. Now, I did see images of someone that had this on their C7.5, and it looked like it fit pretty well. So I don't know if the tires are just a little wider on my vehicle and that's why they poke out a bit, but I think we can roll the fenders and probably get that sorted. So if you guys have ever rolled your fenders on a C7, let me know. That's something I'd be interested in trying and trying to dial in the fitment on these wheels. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm really excited for these brand new wheels. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit the like button. Leave a comment below if you have any tips for rolling the fenders. Like I said, I really just want to get it a little bit more out there just so we can kind of have the fender past the wheel so it's not too much poke. But let me know if y'all have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.